Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Teams account from computer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once Teams opens, look at the top right and click on your profile picture. Select Sign Out to log out of the account that you want to remove. After signing out, the next step is to remove the account from your computer completely. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Manage Your Microsoft Account. Open it from the results. Once the settings window opens, scroll down and open Access Work or School Account T option. In this section, locate the account that you want to remove. Click on the account to expand its options. You should see a Disconnect button. Select it to begin the removal process. Windows will display a confirmation message explaining what will happen if the account is disconnected. Review the information carefully. If you're sure you want to remove the account, confirm the action by clicking Yes or Disconnect when prompted. Once the account has been removed, reopen the Microsoft Teams application. You should now notice that the previously connected work or school account is no longer associated with your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove Teams account from computer. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.